Welcome to our channel. I am Rafael.
I am Mia. We're from Portugal, a property advisory company that helps you buy property as a local.
So the first question is, why this property in particular? So in this case, we need to say that we are literally in the city center of Tavira, in the historical center of Tavira. And then when we zoom in this property in particular, we see that it has so little details that can be so important when you look at it in the investment-wise perspective. So in this case, you would see that it has two main entrances, one on this side, and we will check the other one on the opposite side of this property. And also, here you will see that there's no any other house that connects to this one. So this one goes in around the corner, and this it's typically a property that comes up with more value for the future. And as you can see, there's the second main entrances to this property. So this brings this investment in a way much more wise. So let's take a look inside now, and you will see at this point the property is under full renovation. So you will see a lot of work that was already done and a lot more that it still needed to be done. Let's take a look. So here where I'm staying now, it will be an indoor garden. So you would come from the outside entering, and this will be an open space here inside, eventually with some chairs and some plants here around in terms of decoration. And then there will be a metallic stairs that will go all the way up to where it will be the terrace on the first floor here on top of the house. So this will be the first terrace, because on the other side there will be another one, and actually bigger. But it will be nice to have all this area open, kind of give you the sense of privacy and a little garden, indoor garden for you to relax, you know, when you come from the beach at late hours and you just want to chill out and relax a bit. So this will be the place to be after coming from the beach. So as you can see, this is a massive renovation project. It's a full renovation project, and it goes everywhere. So even in the floor, as you can see, if you can follow me, they are changing the sewage system also. So it will be not only a different layout, but also all the sewage system will be new, the wiring system, the plumbing, everything will be new after this renovation. So here where I'm standing now, later on it will be the kitchen. So there will be a counter here where we'll have the stove, the fridge, the dishwasher and the washing machine also. And then moving here to my right, there will be the living room facing directly to the indoor garden. Let's talk a bit of this renovation project and the new layout that the client asked us to do together with the architects. So where I'm standing now, it's, you know, as you see it now, it's a bit of distraction, because this is the first stage of this renovation project. But here will be a room with a big window here on my left side, and right here there will be a door that goes all the way down into this indoor garden. On this side of the house, it will be a one-bedroom apartment. Here, right next, it will be the bathroom, and right after, the bedroom.
We always think the key to a multi-unit investment property is to have flexibility. So although this property is not that big, but we managed, working with the architect, to divide it into 2 units. And from this wall onwards and the upstairs space will be apartment number 2. So this entire property can be rented out separately or individually. We will have a door here, and we will lock it and unlock it as we wish. As Rafael explained, this unit number 2, will enter via the other entrance, which is the entrance at the back. So they will have a separate entrance to go in and out without disturbing the other apartment. And in the ground floor, we will have a bathroom and kitchenette, sofa and dining area. And upstairs, they will have a bedroom and very spacious terrace. Let's take a look.
Thank you for watching. We will be posting new updates of this renovation project in the near future, so please make sure that you subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep update with our new videos.
If you like this kind of videos, please do not hesitate to let us know in the comment below what do you like about it. We will always try to bring the best content for our viewers. See you next time.
See you! So here will be the ensuite room, or actually, no, it's not the ensuite room. Will be the suite. No!
The key for a multi-unit family home is to have the flexibility. I should do it again, right? We'll install a door here. It can be locked when our owner and property is to have the flexibility. So although all in the ground floor, and when you are
so thank you so much for watching. We will be